Good morning, Eastwood family. It's April 14th, and here I am ready for morning announcements right outside the sanctuary there. This week, our culture concept of the week is joy. That's right. It is the last one on our student covenant, and I just want to remind you of some of the words that are on that covenant this morning. I will embrace the challenge of each day with the joy of being made into the likeness of Christ. And on your student covenant, we talk about the fact that James, at the beginning of his book, tells us to rejoice when we face trials, knowing that they produce in us holiness. And that Paul and Silas rejoiced in prison. And even Paul said that he was able to rejoice knowing that he would be poured out like a drink offering. And this is because these men pursued the example of Christ, who embraced death on the cross for our sins because of the joy set before him. We just celebrated Easter and the wonderful victory of Christ, and it's good to remember that it was such a sad and horrible time for Jesus and for his followers, but it was also a time of joy. That Jesus went to the cross because of the joy set before him. And so I just want to encourage us this week that really joy doesn't have anything to do with us being comfortable or us getting our way. I've actually noticed that people are much more likely to complain when they have less things to complain about. And so I just want to encourage you this week. Joy isn't a function of our feelings. Joy is a recognition of who God is and what he's doing in us. And so I encourage you, live with joy this week. And now it's time for, that's right, brother friend. So grab a brother, grab a friend, and let's do this. You're my brother, you're my friend. You're my beginning and my end. You're all around me when the world turns and walks away. You're my sunshine on a cloudy day. You're the rain to wash my blues away. And I can always count on you, 'cause you're my brother, you're my friend. All right, thank you, brothers and friends and sisters, and we miss you guys, and I love getting to sing with you every morning. So sing along. Jokes for today. I've got a couple. I haven't gotten any in. Nobody sent me any this last time, but I did have my kids found. Lily and Joseph found a book of jokes. Ooh. And so I do have a couple that they've been telling. The first one is, did you hear about the cross-eyed teacher? Did you hear about the cross-eyed teacher? That's right. She just couldn't control her pupils. Yeah, there we go. Walk, 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 walk. And then how do you cut the ocean in half? Well, with a seesaw, silly. Of course, a seesaw. Whew, those are rough. You guys got to send some in, or it's more of those. All right. Well, announcements for this week, things we need to be aware of. Candide is currently at 211. They got 4 points for the bonus question on last Thursday. I forgot to add those points in. Of course, my reference was that after getting my head shaved, I was going to need to get a wig to make me look like a medieval warrior, which of course came from Napoleon Dynamite. That's right. And we got 2 points for Kairuli there at 162. They also, some of them also got the bonus question. So a good job. Keep it up. Keep sending in your information. Send in your pictures. I try to do a picture announcement at the end of the week with some cool pictures of what you guys are doing. Coming up next week, be aware, next week is Clash of the Classics, and I'm really excited about it. I know it's not our normal thing. But I've got some ideas, and I'm really excited about next week. So that is going to kick off next week, Clash of the Classics. And don't forget, also next week, the Warrior 5K and Fun Run. Get training, get some pictures. Send in some pictures of you out training, running, getting ready for the race, whatever that means. And be sure to get signed up, and it's going to be a lot of fun. It's a virtual run, so you can do it anywhere. And you guys have a great day. It's so good to visit with you a little bit this morning. Hang in there. Keep working hard. Stay on top of your work, and be sure to reach out to your teachers if you have questions. And we certainly miss you, and we hope you're doing well. Have a great day.